everyone, welcome to HRC-metal. This is Yuki. It's so nice to have you here. We are going to introduce to you our factory and services we provide, so just come with me.
We have a professional engineering team that can design the parts according to your ideas. Let's have a look at the machine in our workshop. After finishing the CNC process, we will do the second-time inspection for the parts in this quality control room. I'm now in the front of the oven for the final sealing step. After surface treatment, the parts are ready for the final assembling and packaging.